Health and safety, guys. Nasa window seat na ako, pero emergency exit. Saan na yung tao? Okay, so let's try the famous coconut coffee of Kong TV Chips. Kong Coffee, let's try. First sip. Hi! Yeah. Hi everyone, so we made new friends here in Vietnam. Hi! Cutie. So they do art here in Book Street. Xin chào. Xin chào. She's writing a message for me.
Yung kanta oh.
Ako ano iba. This is my first time to eat steak. That's not well done.
It's very
Good.
not well. But it's are you okay? Pero kasi nun,
Pink pa siya, guys.
medium well pag inahan, medium rare lang ganahan. Medium daw. Ay, medium well.
Hindi masa.
Sa di ba? Oo niya. Mag-convert na siya.
Kaya lang ako. Kaya. Hi guys! So, pauwi na kami. Papunta na kami ng airport. Window seat,
Wala na
pero
kung nagpa-elimination na yung mga gwapa man madiretso.
pero hindi na
Apa man ito na?
emergency exit, pero malapit lang sa emergency exit. Hi! Busy sila edit,
Mag-upload.
at mag-upload ng photos.
Basa ka na.